Hello friends, welcome to my channel. It's Indian Beauty Queen channel, and those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to see all my latest videos first. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own vitamin C night cream. So to make this night cream, we need vitamin C tablets. Here I'm using lime C tablets. These are very easily available at any local medical stores. So to make this, I am taking 3 vitamin C tablets. Now crush it in powdered form. Coming to the process, take any clean empty bowl or any container and add powdered vitamin C tablet, and next add any moisturizer which suits your skin type. Now mix everything well. This vitamin C helps to lighten our skin complexion and helps to boost the collagen production. And this vitamin C helps to reduce the formation of wrinkles. So I'm done, and this is for oily to combination skin. And if you are having dry skin, then add a vitamin E capsule, extract oil from this, and now mix everything well. So I'm done. You can store this night cream for about 2 weeks in any refrigerator. Apply this night cream while going to bed, and after using this for about 1 week, you will feel lot of difference in your skin. And so that's all for today's video, guys. And if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Until next video, take care. Bye.